Do spideys. Spider webs. We're doing spideys, spiders, and spider webs. Spideys, spiders. Hello, hello, hello. I'm Kat. These are Kat's Claws. Welcome to another video. These are the tips I'm using today. I'm not over Halloween, and I want to do spider nails. I still want to do spider nails, and spider nails are pretty much, they're not just Halloween nails. You can do them all year round. And seeing how when the weather changes, all the spiders start to come back inside to visit, I thought it was fitting. So we're going to do spider nails today. Okay. Okay. These are the colors I'm going to use. So I'm going to do black, perfect black. I'm going to do purple, glorious. That's what it's called. It's called glorious. And then I'm going to do Eden green. So it's like kind of Halloween-y, but also I think they'll work for like just fall, kind of. Right? Because they're not quite summery or springy like they can be but with the black, I think it'll work. So those are the colors. It's all gonna be Madam Glam. Okay, so I'm gonna put them back. I'm gonna matte them. So I'm gonna use the velvet matte. And then we're gonna use these. These are Model 1s, full cover tips. This is the size 1. Like too small for my thumb, too big for this finger. And they look like they're tapered coffin is what they are. Or ballerina. They're also called ballerina, right? Yeah, so like usual, I'm just going to start with this, right? I'm going to prime these. And then we're going to paint them all black to start. We're just going to paint all these nails black, and I'm going to matte them. And then we'll start with our little spider webs and spiders. And I have some other, I might use some gemstones for the spiders. And I think I'm going to use like a cat eye because I want to do like a 3D spider on one of them. I think that will look cool with the cat eye. So this is just the first step. Fuck. To do this. What the fuck is this? Jesus Christ. Let's start with the black. We're going to do all the nails in black. And then we're going to matte them. And I'll show you what the next little steps are. And all the other little goodies. So, spider nails. That's the deal. Fuck. Spider nails. Fuck. Come here. Whew. Holy fuck. Yeah. So we're going to start with the black. I have a deal with the spiders. So spiders, when it starts to get cold, they always start to come inside. I will not kill a spider unless it's in my living areas. If it's too close to me, that's my deal with them. They can come inside. They can even stay in like the main space room that I'm in. But like if they're in my bedroom, in my bathroom, sorry, they have to go. That's the deal I have with them. Okay, we're going to paint all of them black. And then I'm going to matte them. Okay. Let's do that. Do that. Okay. First nail. First nail. And last nail. Sorry. First nail and last nail are going to be purple. Middle nail, I think, is going to be the green. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a couple whatchamacallits. My God. French. I don't know why that works. If I do this, I can remember the word. If I do something else to distract myself. Every time it works. So I'm going to do French tips on the first one and the middle one. And I'm going to do one in purple and I'm going to do one in green. Okay? I think that's the plan. I've drawn it out over here. So we're going to do a bit on our palette. A little bit of this periwinkle fucking purple. I call it periwinkle purple, okay? I think it's just because I see purples differently. I see periwinkle in everything. Like, I always see the blue in the purples, you know? And then I'm going to use my little stripey brush, I think. Yep, we're going to use this one. But first, we're going to season this little baby. Fuck. I just want to scream right now. Hold on. Let's do this. So we're going to season it. I always season the brush before and after. Sorry, yeah, after. That's how I clean it too, right? And then I just season it a little bit. Just do a little wipe. And then it's like nice and like that, you know? That means it's like flexible and it moves, okay? That's what that sound means. Fuck, honestly. OCD. It's a real thing. Fucking hell. Anyways, okay. So we're going to do the huge. I think I'm going to do sharp ones. So we're going to mark our little edges, I think here. And then directly across here. And then we're going to mark right here. And then we're going to join these. Did I just fuck it up? We're going to do the same thing in the green. I think I'm fine. All right. It's going to be spiderweb. And I'm going to do it in this. So, holy fuck. Let's give it a try. So I'm going to do a line. Straight down the center. I think my spider is high. You ever see that? You ever see that video where they're like, I think it's fake, but I think everybody thought it was real. And they're like, this is a spider on LSD or something. It's like making this fucked up web. You're like, oh my God, spiders on LSD make fucked up web. I think it was fake, but that's what this is right here. I'm not sure if it's what drug this spider is on, but it's definitely a human one. Anyway. Bam. There we go. It's not 100% even, but it's okay. We'll work with it. We're working with it. You can't really tell. Can you tell? Tell me, can you tell? Like, you have to really stare at it, right? To tell that it's slightly fucked up. Fuck. But I can tell. Okay, hold on. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Okay, my God, my God, my God, my God. God help me. Okay. We're gonna cure this, baby. Boink. I think it looks cute so far. So far. Okay. We're curing it. Into the lamp. For this one. We're gonna use our stripey brush again. I think I'm gonna do this. Fuck. Why is it so fucking hard to draw lines? It's not hard. It's not hard to draw lines. Positive thinking. It's easy. It's fucking easy. Super easy to draw lines. Even easier to do spider webs. Should I do it in a black though? I wonder. Yeah, let's try. I can always go over it if it's not dark enough. Because I think we're going to do black for the legs anyway. So let's try. And we're going to do from here. Fucking hell. And then, fuck. You know what I mean? Shit. Let's see. Fuck. Okay, how we do? How we do, kids? Do they match? Pretty good. They're pretty good, okay? So those are those. I'm going to go over I think I'm going to go over the words spider webs in like a top coat. Like I'll go over everything. But I was thinking for this one, maybe doing like around the rim. Do you know what I mean? Like this. Am I going to ruin it by doing this? I don't know why, but for some reason I love how it looks. It's like it encloses the design or something. It's got to be some weird fucking... You know what I mean? So I think what I'll do is I'm going to go around it like that. You know? Let's see. Just check how it looks. Yeah, that looks good. All right, that's it for that one. Okay, we're gonna work on the spiders next. See? Okay, spiders come next. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do big butt, small head, and then the legs. Hold on. Okay. So on this one, I think I'm going to put it a bit higher. Let's see. Maybe there. And this one, I think I'll just put there. It's not that huge of a difference, but whatever. So I'm going to dip my little thing in. Okay, so I decided to bust these out, and see these little black stones I'm getting? I'm going to put them on here like water droplets. You know how you see water in the dewy morning, this fucking cold weather, and you see like those little water droplets on everything, and you see them on spider webs too. So I'm going to do that with these. That's not black. So I'm just taking the little black ones out that I find. And we'll do them with the black. Right? I think it's a good idea. Okay, so those are our little, see, little butt. So it's going here. Ooh, actually, those colored ones I might do on there, or I might just leave it. We'll see. Okay. Two legs up, two legs down. Fucking simple. Let's see. I'm going to do this. So I'm just going to make a little 3D butt with this. I'm going to do both of them. I'm going to cure them. And then I'm going to, with a top coat, outline all the shiny bits. We're going to leave the background matte. If I could fucking do this properly. And then I'm going to finish the gemstones. And then we're going to look at them. And see how they turned out. Cool. Come on, gel sticks to gel. What the fuck? That kind of looks cool. I'm leaving it like that. Okay. Okay, let's finish the other one. You see? That's like little baubles. Yeah, we're totally leaving it. Okay. Hee hee. Okay, be back. Let's finish. Okay. Here they are. Cute. Look at, holy shit, how fucking hard is stick like crazy. How cute is that little butt in the head? It wouldn't spread out, so I just left it, and it kind of looks cool. And there's the other one. Okay, so those are our spider web nails, spiders and spider web nails. Pretty simple. Glorious, or Madame Glam colors, right? And Eden Garden. And we did Perfect Black. And then we did some little gemstones. And of course we matted it, right? So that's that one. For this, same thing. We did that in black. And then I went over it in a top coat, but it's got the little gems looking like dew. At least that's what they're supposed to look like. And then that one is our Eden Garden. Yeah, Eden Garden, same thing, right? Glorious. We got a little gemstone there. Went over everything in super shiny. These two are exactly the same. And then this one, I just stuck a little guy in the middle just to kind of match. And that's it. Those are the nails. Yeah. So I think that will tie up All Hallows Eve into more autumn fall nails, right? We're in November now, so. Next week, I think what I'm going to do is maybe we'll bust out the Kuromi stuff. I'll show you some of the new stuff that I got. I got some really cute things. So maybe we'll do a set based on that. We'll see what happens. But those are, yeah, I think they're cute. That's it. Nails for today. Thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Kuromi nails next week. See you guys next time.
Give it to me like